Hello all. So in the last class we discussed how to draw the bode plot, and now we will try to know what are the tips that can be utilized to draw the bode plot. Yeah. So for the first tip is to that you have to write the transfer function in the time constant form. So this will enable us to identify poles and zeros of the function. So given a problem statement, first and foremost thing we should identify whether the problem statement, whether the transfer function is in time constant form or no. If it is not there, you have to convert it into time constant form, then only it will be useful for us to identify poles and zeros of the function. Second thing is we have to use logarithmic scale for the frequency axis, because the frequency will be varied from 0 to infinity. So that's why we have to use logarithmic scale for so that we can fit all the values of frequency into the logarithmic sheet. So this will, as we do it for the frequency axis, this will make the bode plot to easier for us to read, and also we can locate almost all the frequency values into that logarithmic sheet. The third one is it is important to be consistent with the scales that we use. This will help to make our bode plot look accurate and easy to read. So we have to be very accurate with the scales that we are going to use it. Okay, so then only the bode plot will look good. The last point is, this is the very important point, draw the magnitude axis with a scale and face within a freehand drawing, right? So for example, if this is our bode plot, so almost all the magnitude axis should be drawn with a scale. And suppose if we are drawing face should be drawn very freely, because it should look something like this. So for this phase plot we are not supposed to use scale, we have to use scale only for this magnitude plot, right? So this is these are some of the tips that can be utilized to draw the bode plot. Thank you.